Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who struggles with dark circles or just wants a little extra radiance under your eyes, keep watching. Today, we're looking at a product that promises both instant brightening and long-term benefits, the Naturium Vitamin Bright Illuminating Eye Cream. Let's dive in and see if this eye cream lives up to its claims. Naturium's Vitamin Bright Illuminating Eye Cream is designed to hydrate, brighten, and nourish the delicate skin around your eyes. It comes in 2 shades, this one being the medium deep formula, and it's packed with ingredients like a 2% vitamin K liposome complex and light reflecting mineral pigments. These components claim to reduce the appearance of dark circles while also offering a luminous finish. It's not just about covering up, it's about nourishing and repairing over time. So how does it perform in real-world use? I've been testing this eye cream for a few weeks now, incorporating it into my morning and evening routine. First off, the texture is smooth and absorbs really quickly into the skin without any sticky residue. It feels hydrating, but not too heavy, which I really appreciate since the under eye area is so sensitive. The formula is gentle enough for all skin types, including sensitive skin, though I always recommend a patch test before using any new product. As for the brightening effect, it's definitely noticeable. The cream provides an instant lift and radiance, which is great for those mornings when you need a little extra glow. I could see how it might be a fantastic primer for concealer, especially for covering up those stubborn dark circles. Over time, I did notice a slight improvement in the texture and appearance of my under eye area, with less puffiness and a more even tone. Now let's talk pros and cons. The pros: this eye cream is incredibly hydrating, it brightens the under eye area beautifully, and it works well under makeup as a primer. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens and synthetic fragrances, which is a big plus for those with sensitive skin or concerns about harsh chemicals. The only con I noticed is that it's a bit pricier compared to some other eye creams on the market. While it does provide visible results, the price tag might make some pause before committing. When it comes to value for money, this product offers a solid mix of quality ingredients and visible results, though the price could be seen as a bit high for a half-ounce size. If you're looking for something more affordable but with similar benefits, there are a few options out there, though I would say Naturium stands out because of its thoughtful formulation and performance. I've also used a few similar products, and while they may deliver some immediate brightening, none have the same balance of instant glow and long-term improvement that this eye cream does. It's a bit of a standout in terms of its formula, especially with the inclusion of vitamin K and the light reflecting pigments. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and simple, and I haven't experienced any issues with it. The product is easy to dispense, and the pump is precise, so you don't waste any of the product. So, who would benefit the most from this eye cream? If you're someone with dark circles or fine lines around your eyes, this could be a great addition to your routine. If you're looking for something to hydrate and give you an instant luminous glow, this will be your go-to product. However, if you're on a tight budget or looking for something with a lower price point, there are other options that might give you a similar result without the high-end cost. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the link to purchase this product is in the description box. Have you tried this eye cream, or do you have your own go-to eye brightener? Drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.